What drives Techstars to back more pre-seed startups than any other investor? We know passionate people with visionary ideas can and will create a better world for everyone, everywhere. With investment and support from Techstars, QuSecure is securing the future of quantum computing in the cloud. mPost is putting postal services in mobile phones in Kenya. Tasso is making blood collection and testing painless at home. Zipline is building on-demand drone logistics in the skies. Material Evolution is laying the foundation of sustainable construction in the UK. And that's just a hint at the world thousands of unstoppable Techstars founders are working to create. For everyone, everywhere.